Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Zero the Painter, and today we're going to use color pencils to create a yummy taco. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial is packed with tips and techniques to help you bring this delicious taco to life. Let's get started. Begin by sketching the basic shape of the taco shell. Use layers of color to add depth and texture, making it look crunchy and realistic. Layer shades of brown and gray to create the look of seasoned ground beef. Add small irregular shapes to represent shredded cheese. Use yellow and orange tones to make it look cheesy and delicious. Start with basic shapes for the lettuce and tomatoes. Add details like veins in the lettuce and seeds in the tomatoes for a realistic touch. Layer more lettuce, cheese, and tomatoes to make the taco look full and mouth-watering. Special ingredient: Gouda cheese. Add extra cheese for a cheesy flavor and texture. Use white and light yellow tones to make it stand out. Add more details to the ingredients to make them pop. Use an eraser to create highlights on the cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes, giving the taco a fresh and appetizing look. That's it. Your yummy taco is complete. The best part about drawing a taco is that you can add any ingredients you can imagine: salsa, guacamole, or even chili. Let your creativity run wild. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more art tutorials. To see more art videos, just click on the playlist.